Here we come to the brand new elevators at the Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. These are Otis Gen2. Look at these call buttons. One on each side. The doors are so wide. One. Oh my gosh, some of the signs are like falling off.
First floor.
3R.
Going up. Third floor.
These were installed in 2016. Oh, it opens over there.
Going down.
All right, let's go on the 2. It's just your standard modern elevator. These are your
Second.
newer Series 4 fixtures. Look at that door close sign. It's partially fallen off. You're going down?
Going down.
Are you going down? All right, let's call the other one. I think that up goes to the ticketing or something like that. Oh. Just press that just for the heck of it. Oh, the other one's here. Look at that. Love that down, up. I thought the other one is broken.
Going up.
3R.
Third floor.
1.
Going down.
It's very bright. These are your fixtures. Your newer Otis Series 2 fixtures.
Floor.
Now we'll get off at 2. Going up?
Going up.
Are you going up?
No.
All right. I was actually wrong, but this opens actually in the blue garage, not the floor that I just started my video on. This is actually the departures level. I actually got mixed up of what I was saying. See, this is the new wing that was added on about 3 years ago. There it goes. And that's it.